Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable background sounds on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do in first, you just click on settings, you just click on it. Then you come to your settings, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on accessibility here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to audio and visual here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to background sounds. Then you click in this sign of this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here background sound enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.